G'day, it's TimWanderer back out in the water today at Rabby Bay. Finally got new anchors. Still got to get this though, that's not right. Today we are heading out to Rainbow Channel. It's early, it's only about 6, but let's get the bow ready and in the water. Your metal slime.
Got some mackerel.
Lord. It's Cameron's first trip on this boat with us. Life jacket is in front, flares and first aid kit behind here. Press a button and someone will rescue us. Toilets is at the back. Emergency exit is wherever you can see the ocean.
Little mackerel.
That is like so tiny. My fishing bay is bigger than that. All right. Whole chicken in there.
Whole chicken. Have you got anything else?
3.8, 3.2. All right, drop. Going into a lower depth.
Fire in the hole.
Drop all the crab pots. Found a very good area. There are some fish around. I don't know what they are. We're pretty much just outside of Amity Point there. It's a bit of work for the new anchor, but should be fine.
Which way is the current going?
Pushing, the bow is where the current pushes. We are at 14.3 meters, and there are definitely fish here on the surface, but I don't know what kind they are. Maybe small little things.
Are you chucking a burley bag?
What bay are you guys using? What's that?
This is mullet.
Mullet, and you got squid.
There's some
There's
prawns
squid
in there as well.
And there's pillies. So
Okay.
I got also got some mackerel fillets.
Told you they're fish.
Holy
In front of you. I can't get you any closer than this, Mr. Cameron.
wow.
You're sitting in a fishbowl. Beautiful at the front here. Just a little cheek. Yeah, you're not wrong about the current.
Strong, isn't it?
Strong. I know what I need. This is too small. I'm not going to get what I need. And go with this. We probably should drift. Okay, give it another half an hour. Drift like them. Catching any? A few tailors. What are you using?
Just throwing slugs.
Slugs, eh? Okay, everyone, back to slugs. Cheers, mate. Oh yeah, definitely cast further. Big ball of bayfish just swam by us. We are not too far from Amity Point, but we are outside of the green zone. That's the important bit. Do not fish in the green zone. Jet ski. We are just on the south side of the green marker, and there's a lot of other people around. So we're gonna do a couple of drift and see how we go. We are among other fishermen here in the middle of Moreton Bay. If we don't catch anything, it's our problem, not the fish. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boats. And I think the furthest one is in the green zone. Tell me once you hook up. Neutral. So much better to have the hook. Oh wow, so many. Ooh, quite a lot of fish.
The yellow emperor.
Oh! Oh, nice.
Oh,
Is that a bream?
Squire.
Is it big enough? No?
no.
When it's called squire, it's not.
Oh, okay. But is it a type of bream or is it a...
That's a snapper.
Snapper. Take a photo though. He's got a fish on the boat. Finally, first one of the day.
Yep, and it's a little one though.
Yeah, unfortunately we have to throw him back in. Okay, if they buy prawns, they also mean usually buy squid.
That might be a snag. But
No.
that means a fish might have swam somewhere.
Or you just caught the pillar.
Oh.
What do you reckon, no?
No! No!
No, that's something.
Get the net ready. If it's coming in, yes.
Alright, here we go.
Looks like a stingray, but let's hope for the best.
Probably a catfish or a stingray.
What does it feel like?
I don't know. I don't catch fish.
Yeah. Well, you're the one who catch all the fish today.
I actually think it's this.
Oh, no, it's a bloody eel.
Holy
Oh, man.
There's eels around here.
Someone else can take that off the hook.
You have the thing about eels.
I know. Eels and catfish.
That's a big fat eel, though.
Don't think I caught that ugly looking
But
thing.
eel.
Yeah, exactly. Can we use a knife? Oh, good stuff.
Good job. Maybe that bird knows things that we don't. That's you. Net ready. Oh, that's something. That is not good. Gonski. Bit of a bummer that we didn't catch anything to bring home or to show for. At least we still got a couple crab pots to check. We can see something white.
It looks like chicken.
Oh. Oh.
No.
Yeah. Nothing. Oh. I think chicken works as long as it's chicken frame, not the whole chook. Because it's not enough for it to come out, for the smell to come out. So, next one. Oh! There's one that does. Where's my fish?
One more.
It looks like a boy as well. Good job. What a day. We've been up and down the whole bloody thing, and yet we didn't catch any fish that we can take home. But then we did get one crab, and we're heading home now. First time out at Rainbow Channel. Quite enjoyed it. Probably will come back maybe during crapping season. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. It's TimWanderer. I'll see you out in the water. Bye.